Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens, where design meets nature. Transform your space, elevate your vibe. A mansion is more than a symbol of luxury. It represents the art of creating a home where comfort, beauty, functionality, and personal expression come together in perfect harmony. Every detail has the potential to transform an ordinary space into an extraordinary experience. The importance of a mansion is not simply measured by its size or value. A truly remarkable home creates an atmosphere that inspires the people who live there. Spacious interiors can provide freedom, privacy, and comfort, while thoughtful architecture can bring natural light, elegance, and balance into everyday life. Luxury design is also about creating lasting impressions. Beautiful materials, carefully selected furnishings, refined architectural details, and harmonious colors can give a home a timeless identity. When these elements work together, the result is not just visually impressive but emotionally meaningful. A well-designed mansion can also bring people together. Large, welcoming spaces create opportunities for family gatherings, celebrations, relaxation, and unforgettable moments. At the same time, private areas allow everyone to enjoy peaceful surroundings whenever they need them. Another important quality of a luxury home is functionality. True elegance should never sacrifice practicality. Modern technology, intelligent layouts, comfortable spaces, efficient lighting, and carefully planned storage can make everyday living easier while maintaining an atmosphere of sophistication. Natural light and thoughtful connections with the outdoors can make an enormous difference as well. Large windows, open spaces, greenery, and beautiful views can create a feeling of calm and openness. This connection between architecture and nature reminds us that luxury is not only about what we see, but also about how a space makes us feel. A mansion can therefore become a reflection of ambition, creativity, and lifestyle. It can represent years of vision and dedication while providing a peaceful environment to enjoy life's most meaningful moments. Ultimately, the true importance of a mansion lies in the experience it creates. Luxury becomes meaningful when beauty meets comfort, when architecture supports everyday life, and when every space feels intentional. At Modern Homes and Gardens, we believe that great design is not simply about creating impressive spaces. It is about creating environments that inspire, elevate, and make everyday living feel extraordinary. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of luxury living. Stay inspired, keep dreaming, and remember that the most beautiful home is the one that makes you feel truly at home.